Hey guys, this is Cool X Boy, and today what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you how to make a Adidas crop top, a gray one. So what you want to do is you're gonna search up a shirt, gray shirt, and then you can search up any color shirt that you want. But today we're gonna do a gray crop top, and then I already have everything laid out. And don't forget to join our GFX group. We're already at 156 members, and we're getting more each day. So then what you want to do is you're going to go on your image. You're going to right click. You're going to press copy image. Then you're going to go onto paint.net. Because I already have my template open, so all you need to do is open up your template. We're going to open up 3 layers. What we're going to do, we're going to go to the second layer. Then we're going to press paste right here. We're going to keep the canvas size. And then what we're going to do right now is, what we can do right now is we're going to go to the rectangle select. We're going to zoom in a little bit more. And then what we're going to do is, see this right here? It's going to be 64 times 128. So what we're going to do is, now that's good. We're going to press Command C, Control C. And then after that, we're going to do Control Z, 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 Z. And then it gets rid of the image. So then what we're going to do right now, we're going to press Control V. And then boom, we have our thing right here. I'm going to zoom in so then I can see where I'm placing it. Place your shirt down there, your thing. And then you're good. And then you can press Control C and then Control V. And then you're going to have another shirt right there. What you're going to do is you're going to paste it onto your front shirt area. Control C, Control V. And then we're going to do like this, just to make it nice and accurate. Press enter. And then what we're going to do right now is we're going to do Control V again. And then we're just going to stick it on the sides too right now. Control V one more time. We're going to stick it here. And then right here we're going to do Control C, Control V. And then we're going to grab it like this and put it like that. And then all you need to do is press enter. So what you want to do is you're going to press Control V again. You're going to grab this. You're going to turn it around. Make sure it's at the right angle. Shrink it a little bit. And stick like that. Then you press enter. Whoop. Then you're going to do Control C. And then Control V. You're going to slide this down to here. And plop it right onto there. So now what we're going to do, since this is a crop top, we're going to grab this. We're going to get the square, the rectangle select tool. We're going to grab this. And then we're just going to press delete. And then we're good. So after that, we are going to do this. Command V. Grab this. Spin it right around. Zoom in a little bit. So you're going to do Control C, Control V again. And then we're going to plop it onto that. What we're going to do here is we need to place this one at the top. So all we need to do is line it up. Zoom out a little bit. And then place it right here. And we're good. So what you want to do right here is you're going to grab your magic. Oh, whoops. You can grab this. And then you're going to go down. Choose your arm length. Or it can be any size that you want. And then we're good. So then you're going to still have your rectangle select tool. You're going to copy and paste this. Then you're going to do Control C. Then Control V. You can grab this and slide it over like that. Like that. And then we're almost done, guys. So let's be happy. Go. So then, now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to our browser. Whatever browser you're using, go on it. And then we have our Adidas PNG right here. All you need to do is search it up. You can use this one or this one. But we're going to use this one. It's PNG. Make sure you see those white and gray squares in the back, you're gonna right click, copy the image. You're gonna go down to here. You're gonna go to layer 3, and do Control V. You're gonna keep the canvas size. And then we're just gonna shrink it to the size that we want. Right here. We're gonna make it look nice. And then we're good. What you need to do right now is you're gonna go to File, Save As, and then all you need to do is go to PNG, just rename it to this. Let's just do this, Adidas Crop Top. All you gotta do is save, and then it's gonna save like that. It's gonna ask you to flatten the image, so that's what you need to do to flatten the image, because it's gonna save as PNG, and then you're good. Your Adidas crop top is all done. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to join the group. Don't forget to leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.